This is a final video to fix your iPhone 14 Pro Max battery showing 1% after restart. And if you've seen this issue, you know how frustrating it can be. Are you facing your battery dropping to 1% even when it was full before restarting? This usually happens because of a software glitch or a temporary misreading of the battery stats by iOS. Many solutions you see on YouTube or social media are long, confusing, or require complicated steps that can take hours. But today, on Rexist, I'll show you a simple trick that works in just a few taps and doesn't need any special tools or downloads. All you need to do is reset the battery calibration in the settings, then restart your phone properly, and the battery percentage will start showing accurately again. If you want, I can make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly what buttons to press. So comment below and let me know if you want to do that.